From the station you count on for local news that matters. And the home of the 2018 Winter Olympics, this is KARK4 News at 10.
For the first time in Central Arkansas, robots are able to help doctors in common surgeries like knee and hip replacements. The technology is called Stryker's Mako system. Baptist Health Centers in Little Rock and North Little Rock began using them in orthopedic cases today. Doctors tell us the Mako system allows them to use 3D models and create a plan for each individual patient before they head into the OR.
With traditional methods of knee replacement, we use standardized jigs oftentimes, and the cuts are made on averages. This device allows me to customize the cuts for a knee replacement and do it with extreme precision.
The technology comes at a good time for doctors. The demand for total hip replacements is expected to go up 174%, and for total knee replacements, a whopping 673%.